Hi guys, it's Jordan from BlackboxMyCar. Why rideshare drivers should get a dash cam. Car and rideshare apps and their users are rapidly growing. Just think of Uber, Lyft, and other services that have changed the way people commute. There are numerous benefits in owning a dash cam for regular drivers, but a dash cam proves even more crucial for rideshare drivers. A 2-channel infrared dash cam can be installed so that the interior of the vehicle will be recorded, acting as a silent witness and offering video evidence in case anything happens. The infrared dash cam offers the ability to record under total darkness so that total video capture is possible under all scenarios. Infrared interior cams are able to offer you a silent witness protection. These cameras are built for a better image quality during nighttime recording, which are useful for the interior of the vehicle. These IR dash cams are popular and useful among Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, taxi drivers, or any business that wish to record the inside of the vehicle of the driver and their occupants. Passengers can easily make false claims against drivers, as can other parties if you get involved in an accident. The following are only a few examples of what an interior-facing dashcam can capture. The principle for owning an infrared camera is the same as having a regular dashcam. You may not use it all the time, but when something happens, such as false accusation from a passenger, then you will be very happy that you do have an infrared dashcam. Now, imagine if these scenarios happened at night, in areas with very poor lighting. While traditional dashcams would not perform well under these conditions, an infrared camera can offer crystal clear images even in pitch black environments. This is all thanks to its infrared technology. Do note that, because of the infrared lights, the images under daytime will be in black and white, but all video details will still be captured. At BlackboxMyCar, we offer the best interior and exterior dashcam options. Our most popular options would be the THINKWARE FA200 IRC and BLACKVUE DR750S IR. Secure your vehicle today with one of our Rideshare Bundles and make sure you're covered from all angles by your very own silent witness on board. See our fantastic bundles below, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Also, be sure to check out our individual IR interior cameras here as well. Thank you for watching. For more information, please check out our website at blackboxmycar.com, and if you're in Canada, blackboxmycar.ca.